Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining me. I got a very exciting package in the mail. I was actually the winner of the 1,000 followers giveaway that Joey did for her YouTube channel, and her YouTube channel is Joey's Jewelry. She is a phenomenal designer, and she just shares such joy with everyone in her community. And I wanted to share with you what I received in the box as the giveaway gift from her. So I'm going to just do a quick video, and much thanks to her. She actually, this was in the top of the package. She made this, and in here she sent all of these beautiful beads to me. I actually watched, she went on a shopping spree at a local bead store, and this is one of the strands that she got there. These are just gorgeous with the inclusions in them. I also got these. I love the mint green in these. And she loves pink, so in here, one of my favorites, the copper with the black, so gorgeous. And I cannot believe she sent me a strand of these. I'm going to have so much fun designing with these. And that is just a huge strand. She's so very generous with everything. And I'm not even, that's only half the box. So I have not dug into this bag. I'm going to set these aside because we have this whole bag to go. All right, let's see what we have in here. I have not opened these. I've been waiting to be able to have time to do a video so I can thank her properly for everything that she sent. She has the most beautiful things. I don't even know where to start. Oh, I love these. I'm going to just slide these on the side, and we're going to take this one at a time. So these, I so love working with these. That's funny, I just did a class on these 2 days ago, teaching people how to use these on my Whatnot channel. So there are 4 of these in this bag. Let's set those aside. We have, sort of grab some little bead trays. These are just such a unique shape. Those are going to be so fun. And I love orange. I love all the earthy colors. I have some of these in some different colors, but I've never had the orange, so those are going to be fun to design with. Set those there. It's almost like she knew my favorite colors. She just sent me a little bit of everything. These are some glass splatter beads. There again, I don't have these in orange. I have them in red and black and turquoise. So those will be fun to design with. And then we have these pink. And yes, you all know, it's not my favorite, but I'm getting there. These coin glass beads, they're actually very pretty. Those will look really nice with some rose quartz. Green. I love green. Oh, the ideas are just flying in my head right now. It's always fun to get selections from other people and put them together in your own designs. These are beautiful beads. She showed these on one of her videos and had used them in a project. Very, very happy that she shared those with me. Put those up there. What else do we have in here? She just sent so much. Oh, these are the glass flowers. I love working with those. Set these off to the side. And then she sent me some findings from Dollar Bead Box. Copper, love that. I believe this is the mountain pendant from Bargain Bead Box. And she shared her mushrooms with me. That is so beautiful. I love those. Yes, they are the laser cut mountains. She also sent some of the links to go with those. So we have those. Some more beads. Oh, these are the cube beads in a frost. And oh, purple. Purple's actually my favorite color. These out of here. The teardrops. They're faceted. Very gorgeous. We will most definitely enjoy designing with those. Then we have, I think these are pinch beads or what these are called. The light blue glass. Put these over here with the other blues. And these were another bead box that we got. Very nice. It just keeps coming. The little crystal, clear crystal beads. These are interesting. I saw these. She had shown these on one of her videos, and I had never seen anything. I'll set these aside and show you. I'd never seen anything quite like this. It's like a pyramid, but the hole, let's see if I can grab a hairpin or something from up here and show you. The hole goes through it so it sits at an angle. Those are very, very awesome. Those are going to be fun to play with. And then she sent me a couple of pairs of earrings that she made. I feel so lucky to get some of her designs. Very simplistic, but yet elegant. Really love those. And I was telling her we have a lot of the same teaching style, but yet we have completely different designing styles, so it's very nice. Oh, and these are the shoulder dusters with so much bling. Those will catch the light. Very pretty. Love those beads. I have to find out where she got those from. And then, last but not least, what do we have here? Oh my, a full package of earwires. So, that is what Joey sent me for her 1,000 followers giveaway. So very generous of her, so amazing. And I look forward to, I can't even get these all in the camera. Let's see if I can spread these out. So these are all of the things that she sent as an appreciation. So Joey, thank you so very much. You are very, very appreciated, and I am going to have a blast designing with this. So thank you all for joining me. If you are not following her, please follow Joee's Jewelry. It is spelled Joee''. And I will leave a link down below to her channel so you can go follow her. Thank you all very much for joining. Have a blessed day. Bye.